You've spent weeks studying vocabulary, but the second you walk up to a cafe counter in Berlin, your brain stalls. You know the words for coffee and please, but you suddenly freeze because you don't know which one comes first. English lets you be a bit messy with word order, but German is different. It is built like a piece of architecture, rigid and predictable. Stop thinking in fluid strings of words. Start thinking in blocks, clicking into numbered slots. The most important block is the boss verb, the action word. In a German statement, it drops an anchor into slot 2 and stays there, refusing to move. Once you have this anchor in place, you have a fixed point to build around, making it possible to form any basic sentence you need for the A1 exam. Look at a basic sentence. I learn German. The action word learn locks into that second slot. Even if you put today at the beginning, the action word stays put. It forces the other words to move. So you say, today learn I German. This gets interesting when you add helper words, like must, can, or want to change the meaning of your sentence. When a helper word shows up, it takes over the second slot. It becomes the new boss. The original action word doesn't just move over, it gets kicked to the very end. Instead of I must learn German, you say I must German learn. This creates a frame for your sentence. German gives you the intention right away and saves the specific action for the very last word. This exact same structural logic applies when you want to ask questions using words like who, what, or where. The question word simply takes the first slot. Since our rule says the action word belongs in slot 2, it stays anchored right there. But what happens when you want to ask a yes or no question? You don't have a who or what to fill that first slot. This is the one time the boss verb leaps to the front. To ask, do I learn German? You say, learn I German. But with a helper word, it takes the lead spot, leaving the main action waiting at the end. Must I German learn? Questions use the exact same blocks you already have. You're just clicking them into a different order. Imagine you're sitting in your A1 speaking exam. The examiners are watching, and you're feeling the pressure to get the grammar right. In that moment, you don't need to overthink it. Just find your action word and lock it into its slot. Try it now. If you have the words for I, coffee, and drink, how would you arrange them to make a statement? The action word, drink, snaps into slot 2. Everything else just fills in around it. I drink coffee. Treating German like a formula gives you a blueprint to rely on. Once you know where the blocks click, you build sentences with total confidence.